Welcome back to day 6 of our 7-day Fluency Challenge. We've been building up your English skills, and today we're tackling a topic that often surprises learners: filler words.
Exactly. Many students try to completely eliminate and like from their speech, thinking it makes them sound more fluent. But actually, using them correctly is a secret to sounding more natural. It's like a seasoning. A little bit makes things taste better. Too much ruins the dish.
That's right. Native speakers use fillers all the time. They're not just signs of hesitation, they're tools for buying time, showing thought, and maintaining the flow of conversation. Today, we're going to give you at least 8 common filler words and phrases and how to use them effectively.
Let's start with a classic. You know. This is great for checking if the listener understands or if you're trying to find the right way to express something. It was really cold outside. I almost froze my fingers. He's really good at playing the guitar. Very talented. I was so tired, after working all day, so I just went straight to bed. The new project is challenging. It requires a lot of creativity.
Our second one is like. This is often overused, especially by younger people, but when used sparingly, it can soften a statement, introduce an approximation, or signal reported speech. She was like, "I can't believe it," when she heard the news. Reporting speech. "It was like 5 degrees below zero this morning when I woke up." Approximation. "I had to wait for like 20 minutes for the bus to arrive." The concert was really amazing. Everyone was dancing.
Number 3 is I mean. This is fantastic for clarifying, correcting yourself, or rephrasing something you just said. It was a difficult test. Really challenging, not just a little bit. I went to the store, the supermarket, to buy groceries. He's really smart. He understands complex things incredibly quickly. It's a big decision. It will affect everyone in the team.
Our fourth one is well. This is a super versatile filler. We use it to pause, to introduce a slightly different or opposing idea, or just to gather our thoughts before speaking. Well, I'm not sure if that's entirely true. I have a different opinion. Well, it's a long story, but I'll try to explain it briefly. How was the movie? Well, it was okay. Not great, but not terrible either. What do you think? Well, it's complicated, but I lean towards the first option.
Next up, number 5, so. This is excellent for transitioning to a new topic, summarizing, or indicating a conclusion. It helps guide the listener through your thoughts. So, what are your plans for the weekend? Anything exciting? We discussed a lot, and so we decided to move forward with the proposal. So anyway, I called him back after I finished my work, and he agreed. The presentation is finished, so let's take a break.
And for our 6th filler phrase, we have kind of/sort of. These are great for expressing uncertainty, softening a statement, or indicating something is not exact. They make your statement sound less direct and more nuanced. "I'm kind of busy right now. Can I call you back in an hour?" The movie was sort of boring, to be honest. I almost fell asleep. I kind of agree with you, but not completely. There are some points I disagree with. He was kind of upset about the decision. You could tell from his face.
Let's add 2 more quickly. Number 7, right. This can confirm understanding or simply fill a small pause while you think. I'm meeting her at 3 p.m., right? Confirming. Right, so where were we? Yes, the next step. You take the train and then the bus, right?
And finally, number 8, basically. We mentioned this as a power word yesterday, but it also works as a filler to summarize or get to the main point quickly. The whole system crashed, so basically, we lost all our progress. Basically, he just didn't want to come to the party. We talked for hours, but basically, we agreed to disagree.
These aren't just random sounds. They serve a purpose. They help you sound less like a robot reading a script and more like a real person having a conversation.
Exactly. They give you those precious few seconds to think of the right word or structure without resorting to silence, which can feel awkward. The key is balance. Don't overuse them. A sprinkle here and there makes your speech smoother and more authentic.
That's a wrap for day 6. Tomorrow is the final day of our challenge, where it will bring everything together. Don't forget to come back for day 7, your 7-day fluency action plan.
And if you want to understand how to connect your ideas more smoothly, we recommend you go back and listen to episode 21, Mastering Collocations, Sounding Truly Natural in B2 English. This will help you link your thoughts even more effectively.
See you next time.